Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of your YouTube channel in just a few simple steps. Step 1. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Step 2. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on YouTube Studio. Step 4. Go to Customization. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Customization. Step 5. Edit Channel. Name under the Basic Info tab. You'll find the option to change your channel name. Step 6. Click the edit icon next to your name. Type your new channel name. For example, I'll change it to Think Binary. Step 7. Set a unique handle. You can also set a channel handle. Try different combinations if your preferred handle isn't available. For example, Think Binary, Chart. Step 8. Add channel description. Scroll down to add or update your channel description. You can copy it from an existing file or type a fresh one here. Step 9. Add contact info and links. Scroll down to the links section to add important links to your website, social media accounts, or any other relevant platforms. Below that, you'll also find a space to enter your contact email, which helps viewers or potential collaborators reach you easily. Step 10. Publish changes. Once everything is done, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Step 11. Confirm changes. Refresh your channel page, and you'll see your new channel name updated. That's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.